Good morning, children. Namaste. How are you? I hope you are keeping well with your health and studies. You must be utilizing your proper time in taking proper care of your studies, helping your mother, father, brother, sisters, and grandparents too. Uh, Today, the new story for you is A Hero by R.K. Narayan. The full form of R.K. Narayan is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Narayan. Rasipuram, the name of the native place of the writer, Krishnaswamy, the name of his father, and Narayan, his own name. So, South Indian writer, he is a South Indian writer, so he begins his name with his native place, then his father's name, then his own name. The whole story, A Hero, centers around a small boy, and his name is Swami. Once it so happens that Swami's father narrates to him the uh, bravery of a lad, village boy, who fought with a tiger and finally climbed up the tree until some villagers arrived there and killed the tiger. That means this story is narrated to Swami by his father. The bravery and courage of a village lad who fought with a tiger. The story sounds impossible, but here the story was like. Swami did not believe the story. According to him, the boy must be a very grown up person, not like an ordinary child. Then father explained that it requires a lot of courage to face the trouble, to face the situation. Strength is not always important. Important is courage. Age and age and strength are not always important. What is important? Important is courage, which the village boy possessed. As Swami was in doubt about the bravery of the village lad, father told him to prove his own courage. He ordered Swami to sleep alone at night in his own office in order to prove his courage. So, what is? Swami was given the task, given an order to sleep in his father's room to prove his courage, whether he was courageous or not. Swami was at sea what to do because he had not expected that his father would take a very big turn. So he first made some lame excuse, but the father was fixed. He said that he had to prove his courage by sleeping alone in his office. Finally, Swami went to sleep in his father's office. The office was dark. He requested his father to put a lantern there. In the office room, Swami was trembling with fear. He was sweating. He remembered all the stories of the ghosts and devils that were narrated to him by his friends and some people. He was sure that the devils would enter the room, enter the office, and tear him piece by piece, bite him piece by piece. So he was badly upset, badly frightened. In course of thinking, he fell asleep. At midnight, he noticed something moving in the office room. In the darkness, he noticed something moving in the office room. He thought that the devil had entered. He became extremely frightened. But in the meantime, he thought if his death was near him, why should he not try to overcome his fear? So he collected all his strength and took a very tight hold of the leg of the moving figure and bit his teeth on the figure's lower part. The cry of the figure made everyone arrive there. Father, cook, servant, everyone arrived there with lamp, and they discovered that it was not the devil, but it was a notorious burglar, thief. That was a house breaking burglar of the town, and that burglar was caught by Swami. Swami, later on, everyone appreciated Swami. Even the police department also thanked and congratulated Swami. Swami was called the hero because the work that was not being done by the police department was easily done by Swami. So Swami, everyone called Swami hero. But reality is far different. Swami is actually not a hero. It was simply what you say, the time, the circumstance under which he worked. Because if he were certainly a hero, the next night he would also sleep not beside Granny, because his habit was always to sleep beside Granny, not anywhere. And next night, right from the evening, he took his seat bed just beside Granny and started trying to fall into sound sleep. But the lesson is here, the main lesson here by the writer R.K. Narayan is that age and strength do not make any factor, but the courage of a person matters. That was shown by the village boy and also shown here to some extent by Swami himself. Thank you. And now I will send you the question answer of this chapter, and these question answer, my dear, you will prepare, you will write very beautifully in your SW copy. Listen, with your glittering pen, you will write the name of the title, then just below name of the writer, then question answer. If you have your black pen, with black pen, you will write the question. In blue pen, blue ink, you write the answer. And when the answer is finished, you will leave one line. Then again, next line you will begin the answer. Okay? Thank you.